Today we're going to brave the cold in a 1957 Morgan +4 Drophead. It is one of my favorites. It's been long-term owned. Well, here is our cold start. It is definitely cold outside. Pull the choke. Starts as it should. Good oil pressure. Let's get on the road. As I said, long-term ownership since 1971. These are really fun cars to drive. It is a wonderful restoration done by its long-term owner. Eligible for some of the coolest rallies around. Colorado Grand, Copper State, Going to the Sun. And another rally that it would be eligible for is the California Melee, because it is 1957. So let's show you the first gear is non-synchro in the Moss box, so that didn't harm it. It is a great color combination. It's got really good power from its 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, 4-speed Moss box. It is pretty easy to drive. It makes you work a little bit, but it's friendly and extremely visceral. So one of those cars that, you know, just a joy to drive when you're doing it right. We're gonna come up here and let Jason out to do our usual hour flybys. It is cold outside. I hope you enjoyed those flybys. I must say that with the windows up, it's actually not that cold in the interior, and it's quite enjoyable to drive. It is brisk, but enjoyable. And this is without a doubt one of the nicest Morgan +4s we've owned over the years. We have owned many, and I can say that given their wooden frames, they are either exceptional or restoration projects or mediocre. This is exceptional. Everything is working. Temperatures and pressures are great. Lights are all working. The weather equipment is new. The interior is new. Again, long-term ownership. And the car is really ready for some fun use come the season in springtime. Clutch, brakes are all great. Gearbox is great. It's a lot of bang for the buck and a lot of fun. We're going to go down the FFR road here. Jason bought me this hat, and look at this. Look at the inside. Let me tell you something. Your noggin stays warm in this thing. So, first, second, third, and fourth. And fourth is really great for cruising. It does keep up with traffic exceptionally well. It tracks well, it's fun to drive, it brakes really well, as you can see. No hands, folks. This one is sorted properly and has front discs. Just fun. It's fun. You can put stuff in the back. It is a fair weather car for sure, but eligible for many of the world's best events. So thanks again for watching, and we welcome any questions you may have.